Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome. Thank you so very much for joining me. I'm kicking off the collaboration for Joy of Blue for 2022. In this collaboration, you get to make whatever you want. You just use some blue. So you might see quilts, you might see beadwork, cards, scrapbooks, junk journals, embellishments. It could be, somebody could paint a wall blue. They could do paint pour. It could be anything. Resin, any kind of mixed media. As long as somebody's having fun with Joy of Blue, that works. And if you want to play along with us, there's a hashtag down below. Be sure to check out all the other videos because you might get a new hobby. I don't know if you're looking for a new hobby, but it never hurts to have one on the back burner. Let me show you what I made this month. Joy of Blue is not about the quantity. You could literally do one project, make one embellishment, as long as you have some joy with blue. I had been hoarding the Catherine Pooler Something Borrowed pad. People who know me told me when this came out and said, oh my gosh, did you see it? I bought two and I've had them for months. I hadn't opened them and I thought now is the time. And this is the perfect collab for this paper because I don't need to use it all up for this collab, and I don't want to. I want this to last me quite a while. Like I said, I have another pad, and I'd probably buy another one if I bumped into it. When I picked that up, I also picked up the matching ink, and Wow has an embossing powder, Something Borrowed also. So super fun. And I'll probably have a process video where I talk you through these. So I'm going to keep this short so that you can watch the other collaborators. I have some star birthday cards here where I use the star paper and a star stamp and the embossing powder. And then the polka dots and some star embellishments from Honeybee Stamps. Those are one of my favorites. I made this card first, and then I thought I want to see it layered with some blue mirror paper. Which one do you like better? With the mirror paper or without? I usually like more layers, but I really struggled. I like this one, the white just flowing through the white. And this one I popped it up a bit. This one I left flatter because by the time I put the embellishments on, I was a little concerned about mailing. You can always use the hand stamped stamps for your cards, but if they don't fit through the slot, then you're looking at like $4. I stamped the envelopes, and then this one was trash from my friend. She had this embossed background, so I inked it up and put this happy birthday mirror blue on top of it. And I do have some water, so it gave it some texture. And then I just don't think I'm going to add any embellishments to it. I like the way it is and the detail that shows in the background. And then I put it on some silver mirror stock. I'm not sure how well that shows. This was bits that were sitting on my counter. These didn't go together, but I made it work. I have a Joy embossed background, a Joy inked background, and then this thanks and the butterfly. It's almost the same paper. This was happy mailed to me, so I know that's not my paper, but these are almost the same. And then I have some die cuts, and I popped that black in there just for a wow, just to add some contrast. I needed a thank you card, and I thought thanks and joy, they go together, right? You're thanking the person, they brought you joy. Gina K has a stamp set that has May This Be a Year Of, and then it has fearless joy, happiness, some other things. I'll show you in the process video. My friend Noni had it, and I just wanted to play with it. So I took 3 patterned papers out of this Catherine Pooler pad. I stamped out a flower that was in the Gina K set and fussy cut around it using the Something Borrowed. Then I added some little tiny blue embellishments that were happy mailed to me from Midge's Mountain Crafts and some little tiny blue almost sequins that came to me in Happy Mail another time. So this has 2 kinds of embellishments along with the flower. And then this one is a variation. I tore the paper differently and I double stamped the flowers. When I was putting everything away, I realized the flower set had 2 sizes, but whatever, I got some interest this way. And by stamping it out lighter, you're picking up the light in the papers. I could play with this paper pad all day long. Those are my 6 cards. I hope you enjoyed them, got some inspiration out of them. If you have your favorite color in your stash somewhere and you've been hoarding it, pull it out. Now's the time. Don't wait. Have some fun and bring yourself some joy. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to watch the other videos, and also down in the description box you're going to see that some people are participating on Instagram, so you can find them there. And we'll come back every month on the 12th to bring you Joy of Blue. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.